Now, the singer attempted to book a villa titled Sea Salt Villa on Old Fort Bay in Ocho Rios last month, but was told by the owner that he can't do it because the owners do not rent the properties to Jamaicans.
Wow.
So what that mean?
Wait. This is property in Jamaica.
This is property in Jamaica, where they are from, the family, the Marley family.
And he knows says Marley.
Exactly. Well, maybe there's something there with the fact that the Marley name is so big that he's thinking, a whole bunch of people going to be at the house party.
I see. Okay. So he didn't want any of those the Rastaman shenanigans going on in the house.
Could you imagine, though? This is discrimination. And him cry out. Ziggy never like that,
I'm telling you. The man said he did not want the place to smell like herbs when he was done.
So this strict policy at the villa was communicated. No outside visitors allowed during the rental. Nevertheless, Ziggy pressed on and stated that he wasn't going to violate any of the rules and should be able to rent the villa for the time period because his family, it's not just anybody. It's his family, his kids, his wife is going to be there. So.
And the Marleys, is enough for them. So, it's a big family. Big up Red Carpet Shelley in the chat room, reminding us that Bob did win a posthumous Lifetime Achievement Grammy.
Oh,
yes, indeed.
How honorable.
I'll tell you. And if I'm getting my weeks correct here, the Legend album has been on the Billboard charts for about 158 weeks.
Consecutive weeks, yes.
And has been in the #1 position for 157 consecutive weeks.
Them not slip.
Yeah. It's been years since I've really tuned into the Grammys, the Oscars, the things like that. Is the Grammy still, does it still matter? Is it still relevant? Is there still the hype and excitement about the Grammys?
Well, I think the Recording Academy still has a punch. They definitely know where their demographic is, who they need to reach with this information of the nominees. And when it's announced yearly, I feel like everybody wants to know who's being nominated. But on the date of the Grammys, I do feel like people have kind of fallen off on watching it live because they can catch highlights and see different things, on the internet. Right. So that is something to take into consideration. Is the Grammys still at the pinnacle of, the viewership that it once was? No. But does it still have the emphasis and the importance of highlighting the talents of our generation?